Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am excited for today's video because I'm going to be taking you around the Dollar Tree and showing you all the stuff that I love purchasing there and how I use it in my own home. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, keep watching. So the first thing I always get at the Dollar Tree are cards. They have every kind of card you can think of there, and they are 2 for $1. You can't beat that. And they even have packs of cards that are blank where you can use for other things also. The second thing I always get here are party supplies. So they have all different colors, decor, plasticware, and even like party trays and stuff like that. Here's all the kids' birthday decor. They had like emojis, cute little unicorn stuff for girls, like your basic themes over here. And then they had Lego theme. They switch out their items frequently, so sometimes they'll have, like you saw, the Spider-Man superhero theme. And then here's like fun stuff for parties. Like if you're doing one of those little selfie picture areas. Ever since I was a little girl, I always loved unicorns. Those are so cute. The third thing I always get are gift wrap and supplies. The wrapping paper here isn't like the highest quality and you don't get a ton of it, but if you needed to wrap something small, but their gift bags are definitely a great deal. Something that would be like $2 to $5 in the store are only $1. And then they also have like gift boxes. The next thing are home decor and flowers. So here I'm just showing you a few of the things that I get. Seasonal decor is also something I always get here. Next are coloring books and office and school supplies. So just depending what it is, you can find better deals at other stores, but other things are a better deal here at the Dollar Tree. Like right here, you get 2 tapes for $1. Here's a huge drawing pad for kids, and then also like your poster boards for any school projects. Little office supply pieces that you can use. And then they have a whole section here for teachers and little ones to learn. I thought this was so cool. The next thing I like to get here are toothbrushes, because you can actually get a 3-pack for $1, and they're not like horrible quality either. They're soft bristle. I get some beauty supplies here, like those little cotton rounds, a little container for my nail polish remover. And they have a huge selection of like nail polishes. Again, this isn't the highest quality, but for $1, it's still really good, and they have a lot of variety. I also get like nail care items. Another thing I get at the Dollar Tree are first aid supplies. So you can find bandages here. The main thing that I like to buy here are like the hydrogen peroxide and the rubbing alcohol. Car scents. I love getting my car scents here. It depends on which kind you get. They actually don't have the brand that I typically get. I like the cherry one, but they do have different car scents here. Tools are another great thing to buy at the Dollar Tree. I like getting these as like a backup, so something for upstairs or something small when I'm trying to hang a picture. Obviously this isn't our main stash, but just as a backup. So along with tools like super glue, little hooks to hang items, storage containers. These are like my favorite, and I use these all over my house, which you will see coming up. If you're looking to get organized, this is the perfect place to start. They have all different sizes, all different styles, colors. So check back frequently because they are always mixing up their colors and coming out with new stuff. And these basins are really good too, like for on the go, like camping, washing dishes. They have a few different kinds of acrylic storage containers. I love these. This was like a recent purchase that I did. If you're not following me on my Instagram, I encourage you to go check that out. I did post a picture of this little acrylic container that I got an idea from a different YouTuber where she stored her little essential oils in there. I love these little containers also. And then these ones are perfect for like little food on the go, or if you're mixing little lotions or anything like that. The next thing I love to buy here are bath supplies. So like little squirt bottles or spray bottles, loofahs there. I think it's a 2-pack. You can get the little travel containers, bubble bath. And that stuff right there smells so good, that vanilla. It smells like a cupcake. They have all different kind of hand soaps and even soap refills, which is amazing. That's a huge bottle for $1. And then also like some bath wash. Hair accessories. I get a lot of my hair accessories from the Dollar Tree. So you've probably seen some of my videos. I've worn scarves. I get a lot of my headbands from the Dollar Tree, as well as like, and my bobby pins. And then little hair ties also. They have the little thing for the buns. They carry the multi-pack of those clamp-free hair ties that don't leave any marks in your hair, so that's a super deal. Batteries are something else I like to buy. I don't like to use these in like electronics, but for kids' toys and stuff like that. And then food containers. These are great for like on the go. Candy. Whenever I'm at the Dollar Tree, I always got to pick up a couple things of candy. So our favorite are the hot tamales. So good. And we like Mike and Ike's too. And then also little ice cream bars, 3 for $1. That's a pretty good deal. Cleaning supplies is huge at the Dollar Tree. I love this area. So I'm just kind of zooming in on a few items that I like to pick up here. They have several different dusters and then scrub brushes. Little quick erasers, like the magic erasers, and then sponges. My favorite is this little one that you can fill up with dish soap for your shower. And then here's like a 6-pack of sponges. And also gloves. Glassware is something else I pick up here at times, just depending on what kind of mugs that they have. Sometimes they'll have some really cute ones. We like to buy our glasses here. My husband wears the little reading glasses and they're super cheap. That way if they break, and sometimes I'll get the sunglasses. And then kitchen supplies, they have a really good selection there. This little thing I like to use for salad dressing or coffee creamer. I have one of these mixing bowls in my bathroom that I use to help rinse the shower. Little veggie brush. The apple cutter, and then the little chopper scraper. I've also picked up their little vinyl, I think that's vinyl. Yeah, the little vinyl stuff to line the drawers. You don't get a whole lot there, I'm just showing you how big it is, but if you had a little area in your house to do. And then some miscellaneous items that I get there, I have picked up these before that go over the door, and then some clothespins. I use those for like chip clips. Little pop-up hamper, I have one of those in the kids' bedroom for the toys. Now this I don't have a need for anymore, but when I did, I loved getting these here, the pregnancy tests, and they are accurate, let me tell you. And then this, I just wanted to show how cute this was. I used to have one of these when I was a little girl. I loved them, the little popples. Alright, so now I'm going to take you inside my home and show you how I use everything. So starting out in the kitchen, I use these little storage containers for our silverware and to hold little clips and stuff. And then this is kind of like our catch-all drawer. It's got the little acrylic containers. So I took some of the Dollar Tree flowers and attached them to some pens, and this is a little decor piece in our kitchen. This is in our family room, dining room, and that little burlap ribbon is also from the Dollar Tree, as well as a vase, and this whole little flower setup as well. Here's the little plastic trash can that I'm using, and a little wire basket as a catch-all for our flyers that we get in the mail. These little office supplies that hold thumbtacks and paper clips. More containers I use in my pantry. And in my boys' bathroom just to hold all their hair care products. Here's how I use the little hooks in the shower just to hang the loofahs. There's another little trash can container, and this is in my laundry room, and I use that just to put all the lint. Here's the over-the-door hook I use in my boys' room for their hat. Some more flowers and another vase. A little plastic tray that I use for our perfumes and colognes. Another little fabric container that I use for my rolled up tank tops in my closet. A little glass jar to hold all my makeup brushes, and here's a little container. I have my coconut oil with lavender. It's a little decor piece, some more hooks, and there's a little bin that I use to rinse the shower when I'm cleaning it. Here's that acrylic piece to hold all of my essential oils. More storage containers. This is in our bathroom closet. I've got all my nail supplies in there, and then all my extra like toothpaste, soap, shampoo. Another little hook with my Dollar Tree squeegee and my cleaner. Most of these containers I use to help store cleaning supplies. There's some more basins, and then another over-the-door hook in the laundry room just to hang stuff that I want to air dry. And here's a decor piece that I made out of all products from the Dollar Tree. And that is it, guys. That is everything that I buy at the Dollar Tree. It is one of my favorite places to shop. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.